promotes respect for international law, and champions the adherence of the UN Charter. Kenya is persuaded that this is the best way to address difficult and challenging global issues. I would like to reiterate that under the able leadership of His Excellency the President, William Ruto, the Ministry remains well guided on the promotion, projection, and protection of Kenya's strategic interests in collaboration with our friends and partners. In this respect, and in order to enhance and improve strategic coordination, the government is profoundly humbled by your kind words. I am also aware that a number of you have sought one-on-one meetings with me. We are addressing your requests, and I expect to honor them in the shortest time possible. To respond efficiently to your requests, I intend to make use of established structures, including your regional deans and groupings, to address your concerns.